what are we doing today, Jay?
Well, today we're going to try to start a derelict motorhome and make it run. How long has it been sitting? Let's see.
Is it decades? Can we count it in decades?
Well, at least more than one. I haven't seen it run in, I don't know, it's 2013. Erica and I got married, so I haven't seen it run at least that long. Probably more than 10 years.
Yeah.
So, we're going to do it today. Make it drive around the block. Count on it.
It's uphill, so it's going to have to be driven.
Yeah.
What do we have here, Jay?
So here we are at this wonderful machine. We're going to see if we can get these 454 cubic inches of fury back to life.
Fury? You mean frustration?
You know, take your pick. See, we have 2007 tabs, but the battery that was in it was 2012, so, you know, take your pick. Maybe it ran 9 years ago. Everything's there. All right, we're gonna shove this battery in here and see what happens. If it'll sit on this tray. And hopefully we don't make any fireworks. 4th of July is already passed, so. Look at that. It sits there. We got, see, red to black, is that right?
Yeah, I better get off that solenoid.
Okay.
I had my camera rod on the solenoid.
If you throw any arcs, then yeah, it would be
It's all on me.
And wrong side. There we go. Make sure we get a good connection. Let's see, a little tighter. Okay, well, nothing, I don't hear anything. No sparks here, so that's a good sign.
Is this navigation?
That is backup camera, and let's see. What do you want to bet that it still works?
Prove it.
Nothing. Oh!
The tube television? Oh no! Are you kidding?
It works!
Oh my god!
A little monochrome, black and white.
That's tall cotton right there, buddy.
Yeah. So we got 44,913 miles since 1988. And you think it's going to crank?
I want to see the reaction on your face when it does.
It's in park. Okay. Maybe we go add some
Juice to the battery.
some jump box to it, and we'll check the cables again.
So what we decided here is that these house batteries are probably pretty well tanked. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to remove the lead here so that we're drawing not off of the, or adding juice to the house battery. Okay, I opted for removing it from the battery, so here's the lead that was leading into this big junction box here, which is a bunch of fuses, switch relays, and so forth. Now, Back to the action. I love these captain's chairs.
They're pretty. They're something.
Let's talk about the captain's. No, I'm kidding.
Okay, let's see. Says we got a quarter tank of fuel, 10-year-old gas. Sounds like there's a weak connection somewhere back there. So I know that's a hot battery.
Yeah. You want to throw some Earl in the pistons so it can just turn real easy? Have we checked the oil?
Might be something we should do. Windshield wipers work. Okay, I guess more connection checking. So we're gonna check the engine all over right there. Wow, it's a football field long, and it doesn't smell too much like fuel. It actually isn't dirty either. It's full. And yes, I know I didn't wipe it off first and recheck it, but you want to see if there's any arcing going on back there while I...
Sure.
Or maybe you can pinpoint with your gear.
All right.
Here goes.
Much better.
Okay. We want some...
Yes, some ether. Bring me the ether. Hit it!
It works. After, what, 9 years or so?
At least.
At least.
Captain's report.
Okay, we're in gear. Is everybody clear outside? Okay, we got it driving.
Why don't you go ahead and go around the block with it one day? And we'll
Yeah.
move those in the meantime, and you can park it on the pad when you get back.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna see what happens here.
Okay. Wait, Dad?
Okay, I'm gonna try to drive. You're on camera there. We good? Oh, it would help if I took the brakes off, you know. He's with Rick now.
I'm scared of that knob.
He's not gonna hurt. He doesn't eat much. You want love to get up?
Your side step is still sticking out a little bit.
Okay.
Do you need that mirror adjusted? No. the radiator fluid?
It's running cool. Seems to work okay. There's third gear.
Can we go again? It was really fun.
No, I don't think we're gonna go again. We
Okay, we found the concrete.
yeah.
Whoa.
We verified.
Whoa.
I guess I should have made sure that reverse worked here.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, everything worked. I think. Temperatures got a little bit warm, but on engine coolant. But
I'd like to say another victory for Team St. Michelle.